How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Now, first things first, to ensure that your YouTube application won't crash, double check and make sure that you're currently using the latest version of the app. Just go ahead to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android, and then type in YouTube. And in here, you should be able to know if your YouTube needs an updating because there is going to be YouTube or there is going to be update button that's going to be visible. Just simply tap on that and it will do the stuff by itself. Now let's just head directly into our YouTube application and let's try to go ahead and find a video that we will be trying to add to our watch later. So say for example, let's choose this one right here. Now to add this on your watch later, there are going to be a bunch of options here to say share, remix, download, clip, save, and report. Now adding this to your watch later is just simply choose on saved, and in here you can choose to add it to your watch later. Now to access it, just simply close the current video and then go to your profile, which is at the lower right portion of your screen. Now slow down a bit till you find playlist, and there you go. You should be able to see watch later. And that's how you find watch later playlist on YouTube.